Welcome back once again to Consumer Sherpa. There are many positive reasons that people choose to use an RV water heater to heat the water in their recreational vehicle. For one thing, they control the temperature at which the water is heated. They also provide hot water on demand, meaning there's no need to wait for the tank to refill before you can take a shower or wash dishes. Finally, they provide a very high capacity of hot water in a much more efficient manner than other types of heaters. To help you make an informed decision, we've compiled a list of the best RV water heaters in this episode. Before we get into the video proper, click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload another helpful video. Let's dig in. Bosch Electric Mini Tank Water Heater, Best Electric RV Water Heater. This 4-gallon electric water heater is the perfect choice for under-sink installation in your home or office. It has a glass-lined tank with two 4,500-watt elements and an automatic thermostat, which keeps the water at the desired temperature. The glass-lined tank offers great insulation and added durability, while the heater's fast recovery rate eliminates long waits for hot water. Reliable hot water is available at your sink, shower, RV, or boat with this small electric tankless water heater. Sized at 6 gallons, it delivers a consistent flow rate of up to 4 gallons per minute, with no preheating required. This compact unit can also be used as a point-of-use tank in larger systems for homes or office buildings. Its 120-volt power cord plugs into a standard outlet for independent installation or inline with a large hot water source to reduce wait time. Install the Bosch 4-gallon electric water heater RV in your cabinet or closet to supply continuous hot water for up to 2 applications at once. This point-of-use unit eliminates long waits for hot water at your sink and is easy to maintain. This electric water heater for RV has 2 shower heads and can be used in any home's kitchen, bathroom, or even a wet bar. Mini tank water heaters help reduce energy consumption, save money with lower installation costs, and help conserve storage space. These small electric water heaters fit under counters and in crawl spaces, making them a great solution for a wide variety of point-and-use applications. No need for a bulky tank with the Bosch Tronic 3000T 4-gallon electric mini tank water heater. Its sleek and compact design provides hot water right where you need it, promising comfort and convenience for home and family. GIRARD 2 Guam Tankless Water Heater, Best Gas RV Water Heaters. An investment that pays for itself quickly in energy savings, this electric tankless water heater for RV provides instant and continuous hot water on demand. Its compact size gives you more flexibility on where to mount it, and its high-quality components dramatically extend its life. Electric certifications and third-party testing have been completed to confirm product performance and reliability. It only requires 12-volt power, which operates at less than 3 amps, and provides instant hot water on demand. The 42,000 BTU gas-fired water heater provides abundant hot water for your kitchen, bathroom, and more. With an energy-efficient design and energy savings assessment tool included in the owner's manual, this unit offers enhanced efficiency and enables versatility of usage. Connected with a flow control valve, this unit allows for powerful flow to be directed to the sink or other fixtures. This makes it about 3 times more efficient than an average RV's standard 2-burner propane unit. This RV gas electric water heater still uses state-of-the-art electronics to provide continuous hot water. The unit is powered by 2D cell batteries, which will power the unit for over 3 years, giving you plenty of hot water without expensive batteries or a difficult installation. No special LP gas lines or special plumbing is needed. Use it in any situation where clean, reliable hot water is required. While it's also great for remote homes, cabins, and lodges, the product was designed with disaster preparedness in mind. If you ever find yourself without electricity or gas, this product can provide weeks of hot water from just 2 propane canisters. The GIRARD 2 Guam is a welcome sight for any RV owner looking to enjoy endless hot water. This water heater also features an enclosed combustion chamber and direct spark ignition for easy startup. A quiet brushless motor with electronic speed control allows the unit to operate at reduced RPMs during standby, maximizing service life and reducing noise. These machines are some of the best RV tankless water heaters that allow you to enjoy an endless supply of hot water. Its compact, space-saving design connects directly to your plumbing system for the perfect solution for RVs, cabins, and other remote dwellings. Tailored for year-round use, its freeze protection system keeps the internal components warm during below-freezing temperatures for consistent performance. Suburban 5239A Water Heater, Best Full System RV Water Heater. Now with more powerful heating elements, the Suburban 6-gallon water heater is a good choice for frequent travelers. Constructed of high-quality stainless steel, it includes a porcelain-lined combustion chamber and an anode rod that prevents premature tank element failure. Other useful features include an adjustable gas control valve, an easy-to-clean burner tube, and a convenient piezo igniter. The Suburban 5239A direct vent water heater includes a black porcelain-coated steel case, stainless steel door and door frame. The 5239A is the best model for full system comfort on long trips, which means it's bigger and heavier than some other options. The perfect addition to your motorhome or camper, this water heater is easy to install due to its compact size. It features an electric ignition, a low-profile design, and a flame arrestor for safety. When the family needs hot water for showers, dishes, and laundry, this Suburban model gets it moving with 6 gallons of capacity. The easily accessible anode rod provides sacrificial protection for the tank against corrosive effects of hot water. The Suburban 5239A direct spark ignition water heater supplies an efficient performance from its 12,000 BTU rating. It's specifically designed for installation in a motorhome or camper where space is at a premium. Made from steel with a porcelain-lined steel tank and a plumbing capacity of 7 gallons per minute, the Suburban SW12DE offers an industrial standard 1-year warranty and is CSA certified. Easily connect this water heater to the plumbing of your car, RV, or boat to enjoy a reliable supply of hot water regardless of whether you're on the road or at sea. Suburban's small direct spark ignition gas water heater saves space, time, and energy. A porcelain-lined steel tank is factory leak tested at 5 times normal operating pressure for reliability and long life. Plus, there's a 3-year limited tank warranty. It's designed to contribute ease in water heating by helping to eliminate the light-up process of your RV's water heater. The product is made durable to last for a long time. Suburban's direct spark ignition gas heating system ignites the gas burner electronically, eliminating the need for a standing pilot light. Designed for installation in heavy-duty recreational vehicles, such as those used for camping and seasonal vacations, thermostats can be preset to switch electric or gas heat on and off at different temperatures to assure comfort when traveling. The Suburban 5239A water heater is a wind-powered electric water heater with porcelain material. Weighing 16.33 kilograms, this handy water heater can heat up to 60 liters of water at once, using as little as 1 liter of fuel in one night. Thanks for watching, guys. You can check the links in the description below for more information on the best RV water heaters from Consumer Sherpa. Kindly leave a like if you found the video helpful, and see you guys later. See you all in the next video.